So, how do you feel about line 9 here? Is that beautiful? Isn't that a pretty piece of code? I think that's disgusting. I hate all that concatenation. There's got to be a better way. Well, thankfully, in ES6 or ES 2015, ECMAScript 2015, and newer, there is a better way at long last. Anybody know what string interpolation is? Anybody used a language that has it? That's when you can actually just like stick an expression right in the middle of a string without having to close the string and add it. We can do that in ES6. So we have quotes and we have double quotes, single quotes and double quotes, which are basically the same thing. And they've been around since time immemorial. But now in ES6, we have backticks. That's the upper left key of the keyboard, the same key as tilde. And with that, we can make template strings or template literals. And they are a lot more flexible than regular old strings. They're still strings, ultimately. That's still what will come out of them. So it's just a different literal syntax for a string. But you can put line breaks in them, like you could actually put the enter key in there. Totally breaks regular strings. And we can do string interpolation inside them. So I could put my opening paragraph tag, my closing paragraph tag, go in between, and now I want to stick username. So I say $ curly brace, and just put username in there. Then put my comma outside the curly brace, $ curly brace, age. I don't know about you, but I think that looks much nicer. I think it's much easier to tell what's going on that line than trying to follow all those quotes. String interpolation with template literal strings. Wonderful stuff. Makes life so much easier. That alone would have been worth ES6. Let's refresh the page, see if it's all true, see if it still works. Name, Razor. Age, 54,897. Still works. I wasn't lying to you. Those template literals are real things. And they make stuff like this so much easier to do and so much nicer looking when it's all said and done. Agreed? I like it. I like it a lot. So, take it from my working copy to my staging area with add. Commit it to the repository with commit. Use a template literal instead of an old school string. And life is good. Questions?